I should share this recipe with you. I give this 4 spoons. Would eat again. So let me tell you what happened. Last night I was craving hamburger helper. The problem is I'm not supposed to have gluten or dairy or processed foods. So I thought to myself,
what can I make?
I could make myself a gluten-free, dairy-free hamburger helper.
And after we got through laughing on the floor, we decided to give something a shot.
I didn't film it because honestly, I thought it was going to taste terrible. And I took a bite and it was actually good. How good was it? He had seconds.
Not just seconds, but like, I think the second bowl had even more in it than the first bowl seconds.
But the good news, all of this that I'm making is customizable. So you don't want beef, you want chicken, you probably could do it chicken. You want ground turkey, you could do it with ground turkey. You want plant-based meat substitute,
And this isn't the video for you.
You could probably use plant-based.
I think it's called tofu. In fact, if you try it and you find that it does work with one of those, let us know because...
Yep, comment and let us know if it works as a vegan, complete vegan option. Basically, I'm following the directions on the box. So here it is.
Well, I mean,
It's meant for that.
yeah, this is fine. I've already... No need to dirty up 2 things. Remember man law. The correct tool for the job is the one you have. Man law number 231.
Does anybody know what this is? This is called the North Carolina Stay-at-Home Beef Pack. All right.
Subsection A.
So simultaneously here we are browning the beef and cooking the noodles.
Forget, this is nylon, right?
I don't know, silicone.
I meant silicone instead of nylon.
Noodles are done.
See, it's because I'm so much better at beating the meat.
You are very good at...
Like, I chop it real fine where you leave it in big clumps.
I'm just not as good at it. If you wanted penne noodles, do penne. If you want spiral noodles, do spiral. Bow tie, whatever floats your boat.
Farfalle or fat farley or...
That would be bow tie noodles.
Yeah, that's why we call them bow tie noodles, because we don't know how to pronounce farfalle.
Well, I know how to pronounce quinoa, but you don't.
I know how to pronounce quinoa too. Look, if you want it to be pronounced quinoa, then spell it quinoa. Don't spell it quinoa.
Quinoa would be K-E-E-N.
W-A. Quinoa.
Quinoa.
Yeah.
Quinoa.
You spell it quinoa. I'm pronouncing it quinoa.
Now, we get a very high percentage of no-fat beef, so we just don't drain it.
Yeah, it's like 93% fat-free.
But if you want to drain it, drain it. But it helps stick all the cheese sauce in there. I'm not measuring, I'm just winging it. A little bit of garlic salt. A little bit of garlic
I
powder.
think this is where they use the term season to taste.
Season to taste. A little bit of paprika. You may want more than I use. You may want something different. You may want Italian seasoning. You may want vegetables. You can customize this any way you want. Okay, so let's turn the heat back on. And I'm going to turn it on medium. And then I'm I'm gonna add my pasta. And yes, this is a lot of pasta for the meat ratio, but we love that. The best part, you can do what you love. You want less pasta, use less pasta. You want more meat, use more meat. You want more fake cheese because we have another pouch and this doesn't look like it's going to be enough cheese, then add another pouch.
You came here because you searched for hamburger helper and we had that in our keywords. I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm going to say it again. If you feel like you need to add another Daiya cheese because you underestimated the amount of noodles and meat and you feel like you need more Daiya cheese in your gluten-free, dairy-free hamburger, then feel free to add another packet of cheese sauce.
Are you hinting?
I am. I know I'm going to need more.
I was like, why don't you just throw the whole thing in there and be done with it? You know you want to. This might actually be 3 servings tonight.
It probably is 4, to be honest.
So just for them, if you had done 1 pack, your original noodles would have probably worked out well, which was what, 1.5 cups?
Probably.
So if you had used 1.5 cups of those noodles,
It would be
then
fine.
you would have only had to use the 1 pack and you'd be good.
Okay.
In case you need to follow a recipe.
Because I'm normally a follower of recipes. All right, I'm going to add a little more garlic powder. A little more paprika. It smells so good. Now here's the best part. What if I wanted to add some vegetables to this? I could add in some...
Onions,
No,
peppers.
no. I mean, you could. Peas and carrots and green beans,
Weird.
cauliflower. Like, you can customize it however you want. All right, so let's see how it tastes. Oh, this is really good.
It's hot.
Yeah, this does have more noodles than the one last night.
So yeah, 1.5 cups next time. 1 packet
For those noodles.
for those noodles. Although in theory, any noodle would be about 1.5 cups. They're bigger, just fit less in there.
That's true. But I'm thinking about trying the Alfredo style. And if I try the Alfredo style, should I use penne or spiral? Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Can you get the Alfredo sauce by itself?
I think you can.
Because technically, the box of Alfredo noodles that you've got, just add the meat right to the box that comes with it. Because it's gluten free itself anyway,
Right.
I think, in it.
It is. I give this 4 spoons. Would eat again. If you try this recipe or a variation of it, please comment and let me know what you think. I'll be back whether you like it or not. See what I did there? All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.